Oh fuck, it's a video. It's a video, guys. Are you there? Yes, it's a video. I thought it's a pic, huh? But unfortunately, it's a video. You're always ready for everything, huh? As artist.
Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, guys. We need those followers. Thank you.
Wow, what are you saying, Pendulo? You're blaring.
Don't forget to follow.
Hola.
Yeah, for more videos.
Sure, for more videos, more clips, and so ever.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's a girl, the one in on the shawty.
Shorty.
Yeah, you know I
Yeah.
Okay, guys, part 2 is coming.
Part
Don't
2?
forget to subscribe, like,
Well,
comment, and share.
tell me something. What was this video all about?
The video was about a girl that was killed by her own friend, and they were finding the
Here we
they
go,
were trying
here we go,
to find
yes.
the killer, ne?
Okay.
But then the killer was nowhere to be found. But at the end of the video,
Oh, unfortunately, the killer wasn't found.
yeah,
Okay. So, is it about the school abuse, huh?
yeah, it is
Okay.
about the school abuse.
Okay,
So guys,
what
can
have
please
you-
stop?
What are you teaching us on that video?
Okay, so guys, we're trying to teach you more about school abuse, things that there are things that happen to schools. Hi, malume xa siqalele, yo masikhuluma lapha.
No, it's fine. You can go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, yabo. Juthi ke sikhuluma kahle kahle
Yes.
school abuse ukuthi abantwana esikoleni they are going through a lot and abazali can notice.
Thank you.
And we can be killed by your own friend. Yabo.
What about the teacher? I saw the teacher was holding a beer in the black.
Okay, I'm here, guys.
Oh, okay. Unfortunately, the teacher is here, guys. Yes.
Okay.
Emfundisa usitshele bekuyihambani laphana.
Laphana bekuhambani. Laphana bekuhamba ukuthi bezama ukuthi sifundise kahle abantwana ukuthi lapha esikolweni thina ama-teacher njengama-teacher siyathumela abantwana ukuthi amanothenga ubhi, amanothenga ugwayi leso sikhathi umntwana uyafunda.
Ngibona nokuthi utisha ufake nezaza
Teacher ufake
lapha.
nezaza lapha. Ama-black.
Ngibona lo oseceleni bathi umpoyisa. Umpoyisa udla nesikipa ngapha umpoyisa. Hola.
Yeah,
Maya usitshele mpoyisa wena ufike wayenzani lapho?
ufike ngabopha lo kuthiwa ulalo muntu.
Umuphi lo obeka bulolo muntu? Mara akusuye.
Bathi mina ngibona emakhamereni kuthiwa ulo.
Muphi lo?
Lo.
Lo lo usuthi beka isikelemu lo. Beka isikelemu. Uphi omunye umpoyisa ngathi
Yena
ubalekile.
nringel na. Ay ambona.
Uringele ubani?
Na lapha yayo yakhichimbuya.
Okay, I thank you guys. Have a great day. Hola.